Well, California leading the charge. 16 states now filing a lawsuit against President Trump's national emergency declaration. The suit heading to the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. The president predicted that, and he's tweeting about it this morning, saying this: I predicted 16 states, led mostly by open border Democrats and the radical left, have filed a lawsuit in, of course, the 9th Circuit. California, the state that has wasted billions of dollars on their out-of-control fast train with no hope of completion, seems in charge. William Lajeunesse is live in Los Angeles. William, good morning.
Good morning, Sandra. The states argue, one, this is not an emergency, and two, that the president cannot divert money Congress already appropriated for another purpose. Joining California, 15 states all have Democratic attorneys general and all but Maryland Democratic governors. Now, the suit is filed in the liberal 9th Circuit, where judges have already ruled against the president in 9 major cases. It seeks an injunction to stop the president from building a barrier at the border while the case is argued. It calls the emergency declaration, quote, unconstitutional and unlawful, and that the states must protect their residents, natural resources, and economic interests from the president's flagrant disregard of fundamental separation of powers principles.
Responsibility to determine where our taxpayer dollars go is Congress's responsibility. Donald Trump cannot usurp that obligation and privilege. He's trying to do that through this fabricated emergency declaration.
Now, the president says the 1976 law allows him to build the wall because hard narcotics, crime, and a surge of immigrants at the border present a national security risk. But he also said, and this is likely to be used against him, that the situation is not an emergency.
It's an invasion. We have an invasion of drugs and criminals coming into our country. I could do the wall over a longer period of time. I didn't need to do this, but I'd rather do it much faster.
So this could play out for a year or more, Sandra, as the two sides argue over congressional and presidential powers, but it also makes border security and immigration a central issue again in 2020. Sandra?
All right, William Lajeunesse, thank you.